In this video you will see how to make two lines in one cell in Excel on MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. It's very easy. As you can see, I have formed here two groups and each group contains three names typed in one cell and another three in the next cell. There are two easy methods. Let's get started. To make two lines in one cell, click on the cell and click inside the formula bar here and type what you want. For example, I will type my name Abhay, and notice that if you press enter directly, you will jump to the next cell that we don't want. So what you have to do is, in formula bar, hold option key on your Mac keyboard and then press enter. Now you won't jump to the next cell and you can type what you want. You can again press option enter and type on the next line, and once done just click on any cell and adjust the cell size. In another method, what you can do is just click on the cell, type what you want, then press option and enter. You won't jump to the next cell now and type, press option, enter again, and once done just click on any cell and the cell size will get auto adjusted. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.